welcome to today's tip. I've got a fantastic, easy printing tip for you today to spruce up some layouts or just give it that finishing touch. Now, I've got some pop-up dots here, I've got squares and I've got circles. I've mounted them onto my acrylic block here that I use for stamping, and I've just put circles on one side and triangles on the other side. And I'm just going to do a test first because I don't want to go straight in there onto my layout and make any mistakes. And I'm just going to, I've kind of taken the stickiness, because these were obviously pop-up dots, so they're sticky both sides, or dimension dots. And so I've sort of used my finger just to take the stickiness off so it doesn't stick to my page. And then I've inked it up, and I'm just gonna make sure that it comes out as I want it to. It's actually a little bit darker than I wanted, so I might not use that color, but let's see what the yellow, I've got a lovely bright yellow here that I thought would be really lovely on this one. So again, I'm gonna do a little practice. Yeah, I love that yellow, that looks fantastic. And then I'm just gonna start adding some dots to my layout, working in the three sort of clusters. I'm happy with that. I think I might be able now just to add those. I'm gonna make them diamond shapes. Oh yeah, they look fantastic. Just around each of those clusters that I have created there. And it just sort of adds, it sort of brings it all together a bit. Now this is a strong color for this layout, and as you can see, it's really changing the look of it. I'm going to work in threes here, and I'm just making sure that I can see where I'm pressing down. So each of those clusters have now got a little 3 dots. Doesn't that look amazing? In fact, from where you're seeing it through the camera, it kind of looked like brads. So I just wanted to show you that technique, just to really show you how easy it is just to add a little bit of pizzazz to your layouts. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you next time.